Oh, did you see that? Oh, he's diving for monster trucks.
I got an outdoor look out here.
Hey guys, make sure to check out our Big Air Outdoor Looker video.
Oh no, did it hit your face? That one didn't go very far. Whoa! Look at that suspension.
Mom. Now we're at the cold pool, and we're gonna see if they change colors. So let's launch this one. I feel like something changed about it.
Whoa, that one went far. Did it change color?
It changed color. The purple.
Oh, the purple's there. That's so cool.
Yeah, purple. Me and Wyatt are gonna race to see who can get the most monster trucks while Mom throws the monster trucks in.
Bye.
Another Megalodon!
I'm gonna spread him out all over the pool. The bat, this one's Hot Wheels, not
Wait.
Monster Truck.
Ah, my eye!
I don't know how many I put in.
Hey, I'll count.
800.
Buns of steel.
You put 7, 8. You put 8 in.
The
9.
pink one. I don't know that one. Maybe it's a girl Megalodon and Dalmatian.
Or Hot Wheels.
Okay, guys, they're spread out all over the pool.
Now
Are
we're
you
gonna
ready?
go.
Go. Oh, you gotta throw this one in.
No.
Throw them in. Uh-oh, he threw them out. There they go. How many did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wyatt's the winner. What'd you get, O?
Wyatt, everyone got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any more down there, or did we get all of them?
We got all of them.
Guys, the water's infested with sharks and we need to go find them, right, Will?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go find these sharks. We got one, guys. Shark? It's a piranha! What the heck? Let's check the ladder. You guys see the shark? No, you don't want to cover. You guys are really good at this. We have all these sharks. We can return back to base.
You make these waters safe for swimming again?
Yes, sir.
Look at you, you got, oh wow, 3 megalodons were in the pool, a tiger shark,
Yep.
and a, I don't even know what you call this one. I've never seen a pink shark in the wild. And then, oh, this pink shark has damage.
Wait.
Must have gotten into a fight at some point. And then you got that deadly piranha. Good thing you got that, because I heard that thing's the worst out of all of them.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button